This is CNBOU, a professional manufacturer of solar off-grid inverters and pure sine wave inverters. 8 years of manufacturing experience with software and hardware research and development capabilities to meet customer customization requirements. BPlus Series intelligent pure sine wave inverters have remote display and control of more than 30 meter with 3 times peak power and standard Modbus communication, etc. Power include 300 watt, 600 watt, 1000 watt, 2000 watt, 3000 watt, 5000 watt. BP Series pure sine wave inverters is kind of cost-effective products from 300 watts to 8000 watts and accept any parameter customization. Muse Series 40A MPPT charging controller. Helios II series off-grid solar inverter integrates MPPT AC charging, pure sine wave inverter output, and friendly human-computer interaction. CNBOU, the trusted professional manufacturer of pure sine wave you deserve.